Let's break down what happens when fear suddenly just grips the global markets. It all kicked off with a pretty stark warning from some top execs on Wall Street. And that warning, it sparked instant fear, leading to a huge sell-off, especially in tech. You can really see the impact here. The tech-heavy Nasdaq took a way bigger hit than the Dow. But this wasn't just a US thing. That wave of selling went global, like overnight. Japan's Nikkei index fell hard, pulling way back from its recent record highs. And get this, South Korea's KOSPI was down a massive 6% at one point. So, with everyone dumping stocks, where did all that cash actually end up? It's called a flight to quality, basically a mad dash for safer investments. People were ditching those high-growth tech stocks for things that felt a lot more stable. So, the classic safe havens, stuff like government bonds and gold got a big boost. But the ripple effect didn't stop with just stocks and bonds. No siree. Even oil prices took a hit, pressured by a stronger dollar and other market forces. And yeah, you guessed it. The crypto market couldn't escape this risk-off mood either. An incredible $1.2 billion in leveraged crypto positions were just wiped out. Bitcoin itself plunged so hard that it officially tipped into a bear market. Okay, so let's zoom out. What does this whole day of chaos really tell us? This entire chain reaction is a textbook example of a global risk-off day. It's really all about psychology, right? The mood flipped from greed to pure fear. It's a huge reminder of just how connected everything is. Makes you wonder, what'll trigger the next big shift?